If you think about buyers as a whole, kind of think of it as an onion, the outside layer. I think they all kind of check these few boxes. They're all seeking shops that are 10,000 square foot or bigger. They like shops that are DRP centric. They like shops that have OEM certifications, but that's not a deal killer. They like shops where there's a manager in place rather than the owner is running the store. That's the high level things that they're looking for. And when you talk about personalities, that's where, we kind of go down different roads, and your shop may not be paved to go down one particular consolidator road where maybe it's paved for two different ones or vice versa. So I think it's important to understand the different consolidators that are out there, what their personalities are, and where, your shop fits. And that's part of what we do at Consolidation Coach is, amongst many things, is we try to figure out, the shop owner, the shop's personality that is selling, and where do they plug in. And usually wherever they plug in is typically where the best deal is. Typically, it's like anything, if you're really into Mustangs, for example, and there's a Corvette for sale, then, you're probably not going to buy it, even if it's cheap. But likewise, if you're really into Corvettes and a really nice one comes along and it's exactly what you want, you're going to step up and buy it. It's the same premise, just in the body shop world.